So today I'm about to show you how to adjust the branch selector in Flowith IO step by step. If your workflow feels cluttered or hard to organize, this will help you clean it fast. Let's get started. First, open your workflow inside Flowith. From here, you can drag and drop nodes. Just click and hold on a message node or branch point. Then, move it freely across the infinite canvas. Next, you can also use your keyboard. Click on a node to select it, then use the arrow keys to fine-tune its position. And for the latest update, the branch selector has been moved above the messages nodes to reduce clutter and improve visibility. Just a tip, if things still look messy, space out your nodes properly, group related branches together, and use small adjustments with arrow keys. And that's it. That's how to adjust the branch selector in Flowith IO. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topic you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.